How to post long Instagram reels. So to post longer video on Instagram reels, all you have to do now, after you open your Instagram app like this, now swipe your phone from this side to this side to open your camera section. So as you can see now, after you open your camera section, now it will allow you, as you can see, to choose the reel in this section. Make sure you choose this reel, not story. So make sure you choose this reel. As you can see now, there is three options: post, story, and reel. So make sure you choose this reel. After you choose the reel, all you have to do now, tap on this length option. Here is the length, tap on it. After you tap on this length option, now you have four options about four lengths of your video. The first one is 15 seconds, the third second one is, as you can see, 30 seconds, and the third one is 60 seconds, and the fourth one is 90 seconds. So now you can be able to record a video that is up to 90 seconds on your Instagram reel. So if you tap on this 90 seconds, so now you can go ahead and tap on this record button to record the video that is 90 seconds, or you can tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this gallery icon to go ahead and choose a video to add on your Instagram story. So that's it, guys. For now, there is no option for you to add a video that is longer than 90 seconds on Instagram. Maybe in future Instagram will have an update like for 10 minutes, but for now it is only 90 seconds you are limited to upload on Instagram reel. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.